guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and to all of my dozens of roses, what's up? So today, as you guys can see in the title, I am going to be showing you guys my perfume collection, my little mini. I'm gonna say mini because it's not really a lot of perfume, but I'm getting there, y'all, because that's my new hobby. I love to smell good, and I'm just ready to show y'all what I got. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started because I ain't gonna hold y'all boys too long. So most people, they like to, you know, take theirs out the box, but right now, I have mine like this because I did hear that when you keep it in the box, they last longer. So, and like I said, I don't have that many to just have them all on display and everything. So this is just a, you know, gaze of what I got going on here. But I'm gonna take all these off of here because I want to show y'all what $10 got me. $10. So let me show y'all what $10 got me at Ross. I went to my local Ross and I knew I was making this video, so I was like, I need something to put my perfume on, you know. So at I got this at Ross for $10. And I know people usually sit this like on their table and stuff, you know, that's why it has this little suede thing here. But, and the little handles, there you go. But I didn't have nothing to have my perfume on, and this was the cutest thing I seen. So I know y'all don't care, but I'm telling y'all anyway. So let's get started. So now my first perfume that I have in my collection, which I got from 5 and Below, I just went in the section and was like, which one smells best, and I got it. That's why I have this, and it was only $5. It is called Paris Lights. It's called Paris Lights, and it looks like this. Oop, I need to take that off, but it looks like this. Cute little sleek bottle, cuteness, and it smells so good, y'all. It doesn't spray anymore, but I'm gonna have to try to figure out how. Oop, there's a little. I can still smell it. It smells good. It smells so good, and it smells like a Paris night. Like, to me, like, I mean, I've never been to Paris, but I think if I would say how Paris smell, it would smell like this. So it smells pretty good. Let's see. So ingredients, no notes on here. Oh, okay, well, there's no notes on here. It says the Mirage brand. So like I said, I bought this for $5. So I usually use this at night when I was spraying it, because I did get a little use out of it before it stopped spraying. But if you guys can tell me what I can do to make this spray again, let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, next we're gonna go with my big girl. This is my big girl, okay? My Libra YSL. Okay, this is my big girl. Okay, this is my perfume that I put on and make me feel like I'm a boss, the boss that I am. This is the bottle. I actually have a review on my channel on this perfume. As y'all can see, I use this bad boy. I do. I just be going to the store and I be like, YSL Libra, what's up? Because it just makes me feel like a boss. It makes me smell so good. I love the details of this bottle. Like, look at the black top and then the details around here. Let me go spray this up. I just love how that smells. I just love it, and I just love the details here. Like, that is so classy and so pretty. Because this one, listen, I feel like this is a must-have in your collection if you have a perfume collection, because it just makes you feel like a boss. Like, it makes you feel like a boss. At least it makes me feel like a boss, okay? Next one that I have is my Mademoiselle. and it smells so classy. Like my child's father bought me the Chanel number 5, and I was like, ooh, that Chanel perfume smells good, so let me try out another one. And my choice was the Mademoiselle because I seen a lot of YouTubers talking about it. I was like, let me go ahead and just add this to my collection. And I bought it and I was like, ooh, that smells good. So I love the details on the bottle. How we have the little CC there, and it's just a classic bottle. But I feel like this is a must-have also in your collection. So next, we're gonna go with my big boy Tiffany. We're gonna go with my Tiffany. I just was in the mood to buy more perfumes, and this was my second choice. I just love this color, this Tiffany color that they have with the gold. I really do. And let's talk about this bottle. Oh, look at the box. This, listen, I told y'all, you know, before, I want my own perfume line, and this Tiffany, like, this Tiffany is like, yeah, I see this being the name. I see this bottle being my brand. Like, this is so cute. It's so, like, who doesn't want to buy this? Like, it's so cute. And then we have the Tiffany & Co right here, and it's just cute. And also, when I bought this, it came with a little mini. So the little mini jar is just like this one. Let me go get it. Okay, so it came in its own little, it's like a little travel size, you know. It came in its own little box and everything. And let me show y'all, like, it's so cute. It's just like the big bottle, like, how cool, like, but just a miniature. Like, it is so cute. Does it have, and it has just like the golden part in the front. It's really just a mini. Like, I thought that was so cute. Now this one here is more on the lighter side, but it still just feels classy. It feels classy. It smells classy. It smells like a fresh smell to me. And to me, I just feel like when I wore my all white to a concert, I wore this because it felt classy, and that's more of what I would wear this with. It's like more of a classy type of. I mean, I'm not gonna say that they're not classy because they are, but like this one is like, oh, you got them all white. Yeah, that's what my Tiffany spray. Like, that's what I smell when I want to see somebody with all white on. That's what I would want to smell. I mean, like, yeah. Next, we are going to go with my Gucci Bloom. This was my second purchase that I made. I just wanted a Gucci perfume, and why this one I really don't know, but I just know that I wanted it. My Gucci Bloom, and this is what it looks like. It's so classy, so sleek, so simple, and sleek. So this one is more of a floral smell. Like I said, I really just wanted it, so I just purchased it. It wasn't like I knew what it smelled like or anything. It smells like flowers. It smells a little like lilies. To me, it smells like a lily. I don't know the notes, but I'm going to look for the notes because they don't put the notes. Yeah, they don't put the notes on the box or anything. I've seen people make their videos and they have the notes, so I'm guessing they must be go look them up. So I'll just look up all of these notes and place them up on the screen, so in case you wanted to know what is in that particular perfume, and you can go, you know, purchase it. Now here's my Dior. My Miss Dior. I see a lot of people raving about this one, so I was like, girl, try that out. Like, try it out. And I would say this one here is a more powdery smell, and it smells good. I admit, Y'all, I thought I got the bigger bottle. Because when I try to buy perfumes, I try to get the big bottle. I don't try to get the little small bottle because I feel like this is going to be gone. I have used a little bit of it, but not a whole lot. I love how they have this detail with the bow right there. And then they have the Miss Dior right there. And, oh, the top. Can we get the top? Get the top. Get the top some love. Ooh. Yeah, I really like this. Like, this is so cute. Now when I make my perfume line, I would not want a bottle like this. I don't know why. It's cute, but it's just not what I would want, I guess. But it smells more like a powdery smell. It smells like not an old lady powder, like a young lady powder. Like, you know, I know we don't put on powder or anything no more or whatnot, but it smells more like for a girl who is 22, 23, and she's trying to figure out what perfume is good for her. And this is a good choice because I feel like it can be a daytime spray but also a nighttime spray. So like I said, I bought this because I seen the girls raving about it, because I love to watch what's in my perfume collection so I can figure out what I want next. And I seen a lot of people raving about that. Now this one here, I bought this for my daughter. This is a Juicy Couture one, and it has a little cute little doggy. That is so cute. And then the top has like a little crystal on it, and it's just cute. Like, it's not a lot that come in here at all. Like, this is gone. Like, it's gone. Like I said, I bought this for my daughter. But okay, so this one here, like I said, I bought this for my daughter. It's more of a floral fruity smell. Like, I feel like this smell is for a teenage girl. My daughter, she's only 9, and you know, I'm just recording this to smell good. So you know, you start young, and as she get older, she can progress and, you know, see what her smells go with her. But this is just something I just bought because I bought myself some perfume. So I was like, I want to buy my daughter some perfume so she can understand. Smell good, girl. Smell good. Okay. I know y'all seen my video on this, my butterfly. Listen, y'all, I don't know. Let me ask Bath and Body Works, who made this? Who thought to put these blends together? Like, this one smells so good. I'm not gonna go too much into this one because I actually have a whole full video on my review to this one, so I'm gonna put that in the e-cards. Okay, go check that out after this. So, but I love the bottle, as we all know, and yeah, so y'all go ahead and check that out after this video. Okay, so this is my Ysl Libra Black Autumn. For one, their boxes are so cute. Like, it's so classy. It's so cute and just sleek. This one here, like I said, I just, when I'm in the mood to buy perfume, I would just look and say, hey, I want that one, and I would buy it. So I didn't know how this one smelled either, but the bottle is so cute. So cute. I haven't really worn this one as much because to me this one is a more hold on, y'all. Is a more winter smell to me. I don't know. I would wear this more in the winter. You know, we all have our own thoughts on when and what smells, a day smell, night smell. But to me, this is more of a winter, and I just got this, and it's nowhere near the winter time. So it smells like chocolate, and it just, yeah, it gives me more of a chocolate warm smell to me. So I wear this pretty much throughout the winter time for me, but I haven't worn it that much. But it smells good. It really smells good. It does. Okay, so I have my Riri. Let me tell y'all, Riri, she's my girl. She's like my sister. If you don't know, I have my own lingerie business. Be on the lookout for those videos because it's coming back. Okay, it's coming back. Riri, like, she's like, I feel like she's my twin sister. I have a twin brother, but I feel like she's my twin sister without the looks. Like, we love all of the same things. She loves lingerie. She loves perfume. Like, it's so crazy. Like, I know I'm not on her level yet. Not yet, but it's coming. But I've always, like I said, I have my lingerie business. I always wanted my own perfume, and she has a lot of perfumes, and this is one of them that I wanted to smell. I went to my local City Trends, and I wasn't even supposed to buy this. It was $8.99, and I always wanted to smell this. So I always wanted to smell this before I buy the big bottle. So I did. I bought it because it was like only $8. I was supposed in there buying something for my son, you know. But here is the bottle. So cute. So cute. The Riri on the front there. With the Riri. That is so cute. Now, this is more fruity to me. This is a more fruity smell. Now, this is not nothing that I won't reach for, but I will buy the big bottle. Like, I'm not gonna reach for it on an everyday basis. I'm gonna reach for my my Libra, but it's still a vibe. It still, you know, smells good. It still smells good. It has more of a fruity smell to me. I'm gonna put the notes up. Like I said, I don't know the notes, so they don't put them on the box no more. Like, they don't, but I'm gonna put the notes up there, and that's my, and this is actually my last purchase that I actually bought perfume. And I have this one last thing. I'm not gonna take all of these out here because this is not like a big brand, but this brand here, I smelled one of them is called the Cleopatra one, and I just seen this and I was like, okay, ooh, cool, this little cute little set here. It probably has more, you know, smell goods, but this is more of a floral brand, so all of them is floral, but this is all that they offer for the actual brand. And it's not nothing that, I feel like it's more of a grandma brand, you know. I feel like it's more of a your mama or your grandma brand, but they do have like a smell, like it, I mean, they smell okay, y'all. Like I said, I had the Cleopatra one, and I just seen this little set. It was like maybe $20, and maybe not even that. I think it was actually $10, and I was like, I want to smell the rest of them because of course I'm not gonna buy it, but that's the reason why I purchased that. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed my videos. I hope you go and purchase you some smell good, because it's nothing like smelling good, okay? Nothing. And if you're still here, I appreciate you for watching my video. So my dozen of roses, I love you guys. And girl, smell good today. Go ahead and get you some more perfume. Get you some perfume. And I hope I encourage somebody to say, hey, I want to smell good today. I want to smell good today. Let me go see what perfume I'm going to buy for me so I can smell good for me. So I'll see you guys on the next go round, and